Some say that Scott HD may be the only YouTuber left in existence that refuses to make a sponsored video for that almighty dollar. He's here for you today to bring the latest update on his longevity test. So without further ado, may I present to you Scott HD.
All right, back to it. 6-month update of our subscriber requested coatings and sealants longevity test. So as usual, we'll go ahead and foam everything down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash, and then of course, rinse to inspect the hydrophobic properties before drying everything off. This hood does sit outside 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, exposed to the East Texas elements, and it's rotated either 90 or 180 degrees after each update. So without further ado, let's do further and check it out. First up, we have Simonized Diamond Plate, still doing quite well, very hydrophobic. It was on the difficult end to install, very grabby, if I recall. Tech 585 graphene, very inexpensive product. Still doing all right, but the hydrophobics are starting to diminish. Kamikaze ISM Coat 2.0, doing very well. Black Rhino Advanced. It is not quite failed, but it is really close. We'll give it a pass this month. Malco Epic Ceramic, primarily a dealer installed type of coating, but you can get it as public. Still doing all right, but it is getting weak. Naziol ZR53 and Nanobond, sort of in the same boat. My experience with Nanobond, expect to get around a year. If it sits outside, if it's garaged, it'll be much longer. Envy Evo Nova and Envy Pro from Australia, both of those doing very well. I don't see any difference at this point between the two. Hydrophobics nearly identical. Flit Ceramic Spray, what's going on there? Getting pretty weak. Shine Supply Beadlock Pro and Adams Advanced Graphene. It looks like filming this, I skipped over that row. Both still hanging in there, but getting pretty weak. Fame Lab Ceramic Light, still doing exceptional. And Geon Q2 MOHS, also doing quite well. Blackfire Pro Black in the center top of your screen there. It's still hanging in there as well, but Fame Lab, Geon, both of those very, very hydrophobic. Geon 1 Evo had failed a couple months ago, or a month ago, and Geon Pure Evo starting to weaken. Black Rhino Graphics, I believe that is going to be a failure this month. It is sticking pretty good. Art to Shine Graphene BX, got a little bit of diminished hydrophobics on that, but their nano graphene product and hybrid coat doing very well. The nano graphene doing slightly better. And Art to Shine a Icon, if that's how you say it. Hydrophobics are diminished, not completely failed, but very close. Probably going to have less than a month remaining on that until we call it failed. So there's your update, guys. 6 months. Many of these very easy, very inexpensive to use. Some not so much. Black Rhino Graphics. That's our failure this month. So thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.